We have 1 minute for this question. Thank you.
Your Excellency, my name is Zoran Sokic. I'm coming from Serbia, representing United Kingdom here. I would kindly ask your opinion on current developments regarding the situation in Kosovo and how Serbian stronger Euro-Atlantic integration would influence the resolution of that situation. Thank you.
On Kosovo, first the overall perspective. A positive assessment. We have seen significant improvements of the situation and the security in Kosovo during the recent 10 to 13 years. So that's the overall situation. We started out by having a KFOR presence of around 50,000 troops. Now we have 1/10, around 5,000. So seen from that overall perspective, it's really been significant progress. It's a clear testament to NATO's and KFOR's success that we have been able to improve security and reduce our troop presence. Second point, unfortunately, during the last year, we have seen very unfortunate security incidents in the northern part of Kosovo. And it remains a matter of concern. We have decided to maintain the current troop level, that's around 5,000 to 6,000 troops, to ensure that we can fully implement the United Nations mandate in Resolution 1244 to maintain a safe and secure environment and the freedom of movement, including in the northern part of Kosovo. So it remains a matter of concern. Now, looking forward, I think it's of utmost importance to stress that a division or partitioning of Kosovo is completely out of the question. The northern part of Kosovo will remain an integrated part of Kosovo. And I have a strong appeal to both Pristina and Belgrade. To Belgrade, that the government or the incoming government in Belgrade realize the situation and accept the facts that the northern part of Kosovo should be and will be an integrated part of Kosovo. And that Kosovo will not return to the situation before 1999. I think if Serbia is to move forward in the European integration process, and I very much want that, then the political leadership in Belgrade must also realize facts on the ground. But at the same time, it takes a determined effort by the political authorities in Pristina to do what they can to reach out to the Serb communities all over Kosovo, but also in the northern part of Kosovo, and provide services that make it possible for the communities in the northern part of Kosovo to be fully integrated in Kosovo. And there's no alternative to finding a political solution. That's why I strongly support the EU-sponsored dialogue between Belgrade and Pristina, and I urge all parties involved to continue that political process. Let me conclude by saying that it's my strong wish to see all countries in the Western Balkans integrated in the Euro-Atlantic structures, that is the European Union and NATO, and that also includes Serbia. I realize that for historical reasons there may be more skepticism about NATO in Serbia, because people still remember what happened in 1999, but I hope the Serbian population, and not least maybe the young generation, will look to the future instead of to the past. We'll look to the future and see that the future of Serbia lies within a positive cooperation with countries in the region and lies within a continued Euro-Atlantic integration process. We have succeeded in creating a Europe whole, free and at peace since the end of the Cold War. But we still have some unfinished business in the southeastern part of Europe, and it's my ambition that we can finish that business.
Sir, thank you very much. The meeting is concluded. Thank you.